So hello guys, today's topic is little different. Let's use GitHub in a different way today. So first of all, I created a basic website index.html and then I created style.css and host my website in GitHub. You can check the code from start. First I init the command, then I add the files. I initial the commit, then again I created style.css and again add and committed all the files, and now at last I successfully push our file to GitHub. And now I created another file, that is script.js, and I want to show you this is our GitHub hosted website. Okay, and we changes the website like this. I added some JavaScript and a basic logo and basic background color. So our target is, let's push it again in GitHub and let's see if our website will change or not. So first git status. Okay, new modified two files and also a new file script.js. First add of all, git add minus a. Okay, and committed all minus a minus a, created added js and edited website. Okay, now what? Rename from C users index.log. Okay, let's try again. Okay, there is some issue. Okay, let's see what happened. I think all is committed. Let's check its status. Okay, on branch passed. So I did not commit it and it already committed. Maybe. Let's see now. Okay, now push our file. Git push origin master. Okay, before I push, I want to show our Git repository. Okay, there are some delay and this is our practice Git index.child.css, and now we have to push this. Okay, now let's scroll the pages. Yes, and our JS is added. So now let's check if our website was changed or not. So our site is ready to be published. Okay, that is great, because before I push, the bar is getting green, but now it is at blue stage. So I think the website is in maintenance and we have to wait some time. Okay, let's go again. It took time. After this, I deleted this repository and now I will show how can you use that folder again. Okay, let's check now. Okay, our site is published, but yeah, now it is done. So this is the basic principle to edit our website. That is so easy. So now let's delete this repository, and we all know that I could not recover this anyhow. Okay, now it asks for a password. Okay, so okay, to successfully delete our repository. And now if we do any changes in our code, sorry, any changes in our code, like let's write something to post. Yes, I modified. Now let's git commit and text git status. Now let's push. Now now it said repository not found. This is interesting. So now what to do? First of all, let's pick up a let's create a new one. Practice dot git unit will be created as okay. Dot git is not correct. Okay, so create repository. Now I could not push here like this. I can show you. Remote origin already exists, so that is the problem. So we have to change the URL. We have to change our origin, and it's done. Okay, now push again, and it is done. So let's again check, and we get our website. So last host it, but the host is now easy. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.